So, Apple just dropped a brand new iPhone. And no, it's not the iPhone 16 or 16 Pro. Nope, meet the iPhone 16e. And your brain immediately goes, wait, what's with the E? Is it for economical, entry level, or maybe even expensive, but not as expensive? Apple's keeping us guessing. So, the big question is this new model worth your money, or is it just an iPhone 14 in disguise? Let's take a closer look. Imagine your phone gaining a substantial boost in smart features. This is what Apple calls Apple Intelligence. They're rolling out all the latest AI-infused Siri functionalities, better text predictions, and a host of advanced features in this more wallet-friendly option. If you're using an iPhone 14 and want AI upgrades without shelling out for the Pro model, the 16e could be exactly what you're after. However, does this intelligent AI really justify the price tag? Let's examine it further. Apple claims that the 16e is powered by the same A18 chip found in the regular iPhone 16. This means you're not just getting a simple version, it's built to function like a premium device. Here's what makes it interesting. Cameras. It comes with a single 48 megapixel 2-in-1 camera, enabling lossless 2x zoom. There are no extra lenses or ultra-wide capabilities here. Display. A 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED offers sharp and vibrant display quality. Battery life. It provides up to 6 additional hours of battery compared to the iPhone 11, an unusual point of reference, but who doesn't love extra battery? USB-C. At last, Apple has embraced the USB-C standard. New modem. Here's another twist. The 16e is the first iPhone to feature Apple's own C1 modem. This could be a game changer, though it might come with a learning curve at first. What's lacking? Of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. To keep the price down, Apple has made some sacrifices. No extra rear cameras, just that single lens. Lacks a camera control button, which you find on the iPhone 16 Pro. Limited color range, only available in black and white, so don't expect any vivid hues. Essentially, Apple wants to make it clear that you've chosen the budget model. Price and availability. Should you spend your money? Here's the pricing breakdown. $599 for the 128GB model. $699 for the 256GB version. $899 for the 512GB option. In Europe, the prices differ slightly. €699, €829, and an eye-watering €1,079 for the top tier. Pre-orders kick off on February 21st, with the official launch on February 28th. So, is it worth buying? Now, the crucial question, who is this phone really for? If you're after those impressive AI features without breaking the bank, the 16th could be a fantastic option. However, if you currently own an iPhone 15 or 16, would you really want to switch to a single camera setup just for a few AI perks? That's a matter worth discussing. In the end, does Apple Intelligence make this device a must-have, or is it simply older technology given a fresh label? I'd love to know your thoughts. Are you planning to grab the iPhone 16e, or are you holding out for something more thrilling? And if you found this breakdown useful, please give it a like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.